Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, first of all I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Three of Pentacles. Scorpio, this is your current energy. Are you guys into some kind of a discussion in your life, or are you taking some sort of information about something or about someone? Some meetings are happening in your life. You must be discussing about your life issues or your life concerns with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. Or it could also happen for some of you Scorpio that you are at that point, at that position, that you are giving advice to some people who comes into your life and to seek for some kind of a wisdom. But majorly I feel that it's you who is looking for some answers in your life. You are looking for some confirmations in your life. You are looking for some kind of a enlightenment in your life. Perhaps you are going through some tough time in your life, or if I talk about from a relationship perspective, so I think it's you and your partner who's taking some counseling sessions. Are you guys going through some divorce process or something? If it is so, then probably you must be taking some kind of a counseling sessions, okay? Or perhaps you guys are talking to your own families, okay? So some sort of discussion is going on in your life. All right, on the other hand we have Knight of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your partner who was ready to take action in past but couldn't take any action towards you due to some of their own reasons, okay? Now it feels that they are ready. All right, and they must be taking some action towards you, okay? I don't know why and when you will be able to see the results in front of your eyes, but yes, it seems that the action they wanted to take in your favor or towards you, now they are taking now they are taking steps, or they are taking action towards you, okay? Perhaps you are not aware of this thing, or perhaps you don't know what's happening in their life. Perhaps you are completely unaware what they are up to, but still I feel that some kind of actions they are taking, okay? And with this card, Three of Pentacles, Scorpio, I feel that this could be a third party relationship as well, or the third party situation as well. Perhaps you are taking divorce from your current partner and you have somebody else in your life who you feel that this person can fulfill your emotional needs, or who can give you emotional support and love. So I think that person is doing their work in background, okay? They are not letting you know. And apart from that, you are someone who is taking divorce, or something separation thing is happening in your life. All right, now let's see how you see this person and how this person sees you, how you see them and how they see you. With this Moon, you see them as somebody who never show or never pretend that what they are up to, okay? They are somebody who all of a sudden take action, or they always surprise people that hey, I'm back, or hey, I'm doing this thing, or I have done this thing. They are somebody who never talks about their plans, who never talks about their preparations, okay? They are somebody who always believe in results, okay? So you see them as somebody, okay, this person must not be talking to anyone. It is just because they are not arrogant, but yes, they are just hiding something from people. They just want things to take place, to take shape in a solid form. Only then they they feel that okay, now they should disclose this certain achievement or certain things in front of the world. Okay, can you see this person is sitting, I mean this person is completely all alone. Okay, this person's eyes is closed. Okay, that's how you feel about them. Okay, so this person is, you know, not doing anything. This person is sitting here with his eyes closed. Okay, and these two animals are, you know, holding them. Okay, they okay, they are, you know, they are talking into their own way. This could be society, this could be anyone. Okay, and and now this, and now I mean, this is their result, which comes from behind. Okay, which surprises everyone. All right. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody with the Six of Wands. Is you are warrior. Okay, this always see you as a warrior, they always respect you as a warrior, they see you as somebody who has won a lot of battles in your life, be it in terms of emotional front, be it in terms of financial front, be it in terms of professional life or personal life. So you are, for them you are somebody who is a warrior, who is a warrior and who never afraid to take, you know, uh, to start any kind of battle or to participate in any kind of battle, be it on emotional ground or in personal ground, or you know, or in financial ground. Okay, so they see you as somebody who always keeps on winning the titles. Okay, now, okay, I have achieved this thing, now I have to focus on something new. If I have achieved this thing, now I have to focus on something new. So you are achiever for them, and they are somebody who is also achiever, but they they are somebody uh, who never tell or talk about their plans. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Okay, so we have Knight of Cups. I feel that you want to take some action towards them. It's you who want to take some action towards them. You really want to offer them something in this love or emotional connection. Okay, and perhaps you feel afraid what this person will think about me. Okay, I am going into my own stuff in my life. Okay, there are a lot of problems are happening in my life. What will this think about me if I take some action towards them? On the other hand, this person is sitting calm and quiet. Okay, this person has closed their eyes. All right, and it seems like they don't want anyone else except you. So the moment you will arrive, you'll reach there, they will definitely going to open their heart and open their eyes. Perhaps they are somebody who is completely into you and who do not want any other person in their life. And see, since their eyes are closed, it's you who wants to move out from certain place, certain relationship. It's you who's taking some counseling sessions. Okay, some meetings are going on at your end, not at, or not at their ends. Okay, so they are patiently waiting for you. Okay, and since you are somebody who's stuck at some point in life, you are also not able to confront your emotion completely, or you know, you are not able to talk about your emotions with them openly. Okay, so that's why you want to offer them this Knight of Cups, but still you have your own reasons not to offer this. All right, and apart from that, this person has their own reason not to open their heart. Okay, because they want you, and yes, you also want them. Okay, even though there are no action from any of the sides, but yes, I mean, I see that both of you wants each other. All right, now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Page of Cups. Scorpio with this card, King of Cups. the moment this person has arrived in your life, you have felt a sense of fulfillment. Okay, you feel that okay, somebody is there in your life who can offer you their genuine emotions, okay, who can offer you their genuine concern. You feel loved, you feel affectionate, you feel emotionally connected and grounded with this person or in this relationship. Okay, they are somebody who always look up to you, who always cherish you, who always motivates you. All right, this relationship is something beyond your imagination. You have never thought about this person or about this relationship in your dreams. Okay, so it's like a dream come true. On the other hand, with this Ace of Pentacles, yes, it is a new beginning for your person as well. Okay, the moment you have entered into their life, they have felt a new beginning, a sense of new beginning in their life. Okay, they feel that okay, now I have to start something new in life. This is the chapter for which I was waiting for from a quite a long time. Okay, so they also want to explore things with you, explore world with you, explore emotions with you. Okay, it's not that it's only a one-sided thing. It's a mutual relationship, it's a mutual love, it's a mutual concern. All right, now let's see what's the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Okay, and what's going to be the future potential? See, 5 of Cups. Both of you have your own reasons to feel sorry about your past mistakes. Okay, both of you have your own reasons to feel angry on your own actions, okay, which led you into some pathetic zones, okay, or pathetic energies. All right, so the thing is that you both of you are, you know, into your own energy. You must be taking revenge from yourself. Okay, and similarly they are also being somebody who's taking revenge from themselves. Okay, but the thing is that God has given you two new opportunities in life. Okay, and it's completely up to you whether you guys are going to understand this thing or not, that they are the one for you or you are the one for them. So let's see how this relationship take place in the future. Okay, the future potential of this reading is the Emperor. Okay, Scorpio, I feel that it's going to be you. Because you are somebody who is a warrior. They see you as somebody who is a warrior, who is an achiever. Okay, so they are looking up to you, whether you are going to accept it or not, or whether you are going to understand this connection or this relationship or not, whether what's your thoughts. See, I told you that you have not confronted your emotions with them, in front of them. They know that there are some kind of liking with from your side towards them, but you have not confronted your emotions completely in front of them, just because you have your own reasons. All right, so I feel that it's going to be you in future with this Emperor card, that you'll think that okay, let me just, you know, recollect all my energies back and let me just rethink about this relationship rationally. Are they genuinely into me, or they are with me for some kind of reasons? Okay, so it's you who's going to be little tough on them in future. All right, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Okay, see, I told you this is not the right time, because you guys are feeling sorry for yourself. I mean, whatever you had done in past, you guys, both of you are feeling sorry about it. So angels are saying that this is not the right time for you to communicate with your person or for them to be in your life. Okay, because I'm seeing that some legal processes are going on. Okay, perhaps you must be going through some divorce procedures or some legal separations, or it could be in any shape or form. Okay, some meetings are going on at your end, and this is the reason you are, you know, taking it very very slow. So angels are also asking you to wait for some time. This is not the right time for you to confront your emotions towards this person. All right, Okay. So Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this moon card. Some of you could be dealing with Aries with this Emperor. Okay, we have Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. We have fire sign in this reading Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Six of Wands, Knight of Wands, and some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Five of Cups, and we have air sign also in this reading Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords. All right. So Scorpio, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.